how to show or hide recently copied text and images in Gboard suggestions bar on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down. Then in here, we tap on General Management. From here, tap on Gboard Settings. Then go down and tap on Clipboard. At the top here, tap on Show Recently Copied Text and Images in the Suggestions bar. Tap on the toggle button and turn it on. Let's see how this feature works. So if I go to my note and I'll select this piece of text here, I'll copy it to the clipboard. I'll go to another app and you can see here in the suggestions bar, it shows the text. I can easily paste it by simply tapping on this shortcut right here. Okay, so if I switch it off, this feature, then I open up my note and I want to copy some text, and I go here. You can see it will not show the text, the copy text in the suggestions bar. Instead, I need to tap on the clipboard and then tap on the paste button. So that is the features right there that you can allow to turn on, which helps you type a lot faster with this feature. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.